In this video, we'll find out what is the startup apps and how we can disable them. Let's jump to the screen. In here, if you click onto this arrow, you will see lots of startup apps that are enabled. Okay, if you want to disable them, just simply right click and go to your task manager, right click on your taskbar and go to your task manager. In here, you will see fast startup or startup apps. It types startup apps, I click on it, this is the icon of that. If I click this navigation, you will see startup apps. Okay, I just bring that back. As you can see, Copilot is enabled. If you right click and press on the disable, it will be disabled. And you can also press disable in here, and you can also watch the properties of this app. In here, you'll see open file location. So if I press on open file location, I will see the location that this Copilot is installed on that location. I don't really need to have this Copilot, so I just right click and hit on the disable. And as you can see, this app is disabled. So if I open in here, I also see this Copilot, but after a restart, I'm not going to say it. If you like this type of content, don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this way, you can help us to achieve 1K subs in YouTube. If you want, you can also watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you 10 useful Windows apps that all of us needs to install on our PC. See you at the next one.